Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that is going to help you in banking, SSC, GKSS, BUGC, NET, police, railway and in other state level recruitment exams. And here you can see some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion in notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in bank, PO, clerk, SSC, GKSS, BUGC, NET, police, railway and in other state level exams. And through this entire series we are going to cover almost all the syllabus और मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि रिवाइज करें ईच चैप्टर ईच पार्ट एट लीस्ट ट्वाइस एंड दे कैन आल्सो प्रैक्टिस MCQs PYQs एज वेल बिफोर देयर एग्जामिनेशन। इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड फॉर PDF यू कैन ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप। अदरवाइज़ अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देन आप मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल। और हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है थ्योरी पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इन विच वी हैड डिस्कस्ड सर्टेन टॉपिक्स दैट आर इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा, वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल देयर, आप जाके उन वीडियोस को ऑल्सो देख सकते हैं। एंड टुडे वी विल बी doing some important MCQ PYQs that are important from your exam point of view, and this will be our first such set. So let's start with the question number 1. The first question is, the vast network of computers that connect billions of people all over the world is called, your options are 1 LAN, 2 web, 3 hypertext and 4 internet. Here the correct answer is option 4 internet. Explanation, you know जो इंटरनेट है it is a global system of interconnected networks that basically use internet protocols or rules to communicate with each other, जो कि कनेक्ट करते हैं billions of devices को worldwide and that also makes communication and information services available worldwide. Let's also talk about other options like option 1 LAN जो है that is local area network. It is incorrect because you know जो LAN है it connect computers within a limited geographical area such as in offices or homes, जो कि हमें much smaller than देखने को मिलता है global network. Then option 2 web और world wide web जो है it is also incorrect because you know जो web है it is a system of interconnected hypertext documents जिनको access किया जा सकता है through the internet. और ये जो सर्विस है this service also runs on the internet rather than on network itself. Then option 3 hypertext जो है it is also incorrect because जो hypertext है it is a text that is to be displayed on the computer or any other electronic devices with references or with hyperlinks that users immediately access. So it is a format of information rather than a network itself. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, internet is a system of, your options are 1 software bundles, 2 web page, 3 website and 4 interconnected networks. Here the correct answer is option 4 interconnected networks. Explanation, as just we had discussed जो internet है it includes vast networks of computer networks that are connected with each other. और ये जो नेटवर्क्स हैं these networks ranges from small local area network up to large wide area networks जो कि communicate करते हैं with each other by using common set of protocols like TCP IP to form global internet. ठीक है, let's also talk about other options like option 1 software bundles जो है it is incorrect because जो software है ये हमें essential देखने को मिलते हैं for using the internet, but जो internet है itself it is not a collection of software bundles. Then option 2 web page जो है it is also incorrect because जो web page है it is a document जिसको access किया जा सकता है through world wide web which is basically a service that runs on the internet and it is a component of internet rather than system itself. Then option 3 website जो है it is also incorrect because you know जो website है it is a collection of related web pages that are to be hosted on the web server और जिनको access किया जा सकता है through the internet. So both website and जो web pages हैं these are the resources जिनको access किया जा सकता है through the internet rather than they are not the network systems itself. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let us see next question. The question is, the internet is As just we had talked about it, I think this will be an easy question for you. Your options are 1. A large network of networks. 2. An internal communication system for a business. 3. A communication system for the Indian government. And 4. All of the above. Here the correct answer is option 1. A large network of networks. Explanation. जो इंटरनेट है इसको जाना जाता है फॉर इट इज़ इंटरकनेक्टेड नेचर, मीन्स इट इज़ ए ग्लोबल सिस्टम जो कि लिंक करते हैं टुगेदर बहुत सारी स्मॉल नेटवर्क्स को, लाइक लोकल, रीजनल, नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल, जो कि अलो करता है डिवाइसेस को टू कम्युनिकेट विथ ईच अदर. ठीक है. लेट्स ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 2 जो है इंटरनल कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम फॉर ए बिजनेस. इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज it is basically a characteristic of intranet which is a private network जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है within an organization, and internet जो है itself it is not solely an internal system. Then option 3, a communication system for Indian government. It is also incorrect because जो Indian government है that also use networks for communication, and internet जो है it is a global network rather than any single government network. And option 4, all of the above जो है is also incorrect because option 2 and 3 जो है they are incorrect. Therefore जो fundamental characteristic है इंटरनेट का that is it is a large network of networks. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is the internet allows to, your options are 1, send electronic mail, 2, view web pages, 3, connected to servers all around the world, and 4, all of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4, all of the above. Explanation. इंटरनेट जो है it provides infrastructure and protocols जो कि allow करता है users को to first is to send electronic mail. As you know जो email है is a fundamental application that also use internet for transmitting messages between the user across the globe. Second is to view web pages. जो वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब है it is a service that runs on the internet जो कि allow करते हैं users को to access and to view hypertext documents or web pages through web browsers. And third is to connect servers all around the world. जो internet का interconnected network architecture है that also allow users to establish connections within servers located anywhere in the world to access various services and resources. Therefore सभी ये जो options हैं that are given they are proper or correct. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let us proceed to next question. The question is which of the following is an example of connectivity? I think this will be an easy question for you. Your options are 1, internet, 2, floppy disk, 3, power cord, and 4, data. Here the correct answer is option 1, internet. Explanation. जो connectivity है is basically an ability of devices or systems to connect and to communicate with each other, and internet जो है is a primary example of global connectivity जो कि लिंक करते हैं billions of devices को world wide. ठीक है. Let's also see why the options are incorrect. Like option 2, floppy disk जो है it is incorrect because जो floppy disk है it is a storage device जिसको use किया जाता है to store data, and it also allow users to transfer information between disconnected systems, but the thing is it does not represent live connectivity. Then option 3, power cord जो है it is also incorrect because जो power cord है it is a device जो कि provide करता है electrical power to other devices, and ये हमें essential देखने को मिलता है for devices to function and to connect, but it does not represent the data or communication link itself. Then option 4, data जो है it is incorrect because जो connectivity है it also allows for the transfer of data, but जो data है itself it is not the means of connection. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now let's move to another question. The question is internet was developed in which year? Your options are 1, 1950, 2, 1960s, 3, 1970s, and 4, 1980s. Here the correct answer is option 2, 1960s. Let's see an explanation. जो इंटरनेट है इसको डेवलप किया गया इन द ईयर 1960s, स्पेसिफिकली इन द लेट 1960s. जो यूएस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस है आरपा दैट हैड क्रिएटेड आरपा नेट, द फर्स्ट नेटवर्क जो कि कनेक्ट करते हैं कंप्यूटर्स को टुगेदर. एंड इन द ईयर 1969 जो फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर्स हैं उनको सक्सेसफुली कनेक्ट लिंक किया गया विच मेक्स आरपा नेट द फाउंडेशन ऑफ इंटरनेट. हाउएवर जो वर्ड इंटरनेट है और इसके जो main rules हैं for communication like TCP IP protocols, they became common in 1970s and 80s. बट जो बेसिक ग्राउंड वर्क और जो फर्स्ट नेटवर्क हैं जिसको ऑलरेडी क्रिएट किया गया दैट वाज इन द ईयर 1960s विथ ARPANET. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, which of the following is not a type of broadband internet connection? Your options are 1 cable, 2 DSL, 3 dial-up and 4 BBL. Here the correct answer is option 3 dial-up. Explanation. Broadband internet connection जो है it provides high speed internet access with a higher bandwidth than traditional dial-up connections. If we talk about these given options one by one, like option 1 cable जो है it is a broadband internet connection which is basically we can say it is a coaxial or TV cable that provides broadband data. Then option 2 DSL जो है that is digital subscriber line. It is also a broadband connection like जो DSL technologies हैं such as ADSL, VDSL. They also use existing telephone lines to transmit broadband data. Then option 3 dial-up जो है it is not a broadband internet connection and that's why this is our correct answer because it use modem to connect the internet rather than traditional analog telephone lines. And इसके हमें also limited bandwidth देखने को मिलते हैं and इसको often consider किया जाता है as narrow band connection rather than broadband. Then option 4 BPL जो है that is broadband over phone lines. It is also incorrect because it is also a broadband connection जो कि provide करता है broadband internet access by using existing electrical power lines. Therefore जो dial-up है it is not a specific type of broadband internet connection. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let us see next question. The question is, what does the acronym IPS stands for? This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2014. Your options are 1 internal service provider, 2 international service provider, 3 internet service provider, 4 internet service providing and 5 internet service provision. Here the correct answer is option 3 internet service provider. Explanation. ISP जो है it stands for internet service provider and ISP जो है it is a company जो कि provide करते हैं individuals या organizations को access to the internet and to the other related services such as domain name registration, web hosting and email accounts. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now next question. The question is, your business has connected with another company to have an host and run an application for your company over on the internet. The company providing this service to your business is called an. Your options are 1 internet service provider, 2 internet access provider, 3 application service provider and 4 application access provider. Here the correct answer is option 3 application service provider. Explanation. एप्लीकेशन सर्विस प्रोवाइडर जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो एक कंपनी जो कि डिलीवर करती हैं सॉफ्टवेयर या अदर रिलेटेड सर्विसेज को ओवर ऑन द इंटरनेट. एंड ये जो एप्लीकेशन सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है इट बेसिकली होस्ट्स एंड इट रन्स दीज सॉफ्टवेयर्स एंड सर्विसेज ऑन देयर ओन सर्वर्स रादर देन ऑन बिजनेस इंस्टॉलिंग एंड मैनेजिंग द एप्लीकेशन ऑन इट्स ओन कंप्यूटर्स. एंड दिस इज हाउ जो बिजनेसेस हैं दे यूज सॉफ्टवेयर्स विदाउट वरिंग अबाउट इट्स मेंटेनेंस, अपडेट्स और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1 internet service provider जो है it is incorrect because you know जो internet service provider है it provide access to the internet itself. However जो ASP है it use ISP services to deliver the application but जो ASP का जो primary role है that is application hosting and management rather than only providing internet access. Then option 2 internet access provider जो है it is also incorrect because जो term है this term is sometimes used for an ISP which also focuses on the provision of internet connectivity. Then option 4 application access provider जो है it's also incorrect because जो term application access provider है it's not a common or standard term used in the IT industry but rather it is जो correct और जो standard term है that is application service provider ASP. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let us proceed to next question. The question is, DSL is an example of which connection? As I think we had talked about it so many times and you know it, I think this will be an easy question for you. Your options are 1 network, 2 wireless, 3 slow and 4 broadband. Here the correct answer is option 4, broadband. Explanation: DSL, that is digital subscriber line, it is an example of broadband connection. And broadband connection जो है इसको जाना जाता है for its high speed data transmission rates. And other DSL technologies जो है like ADSL या VDSL, they also offers higher speeds compared to old dial-up connections, जो कि allow करते हैं users को for various activities, especially for streaming, online gaming and downloading large files. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, dash dash networks can be used for public internet access at hotspots such as restaurants, coffee shops, etc. Your options are 1 Wi-Fi, 2 WiMAX, 3 DSL and 4 BPL. Here the correct answer is option 1 Wi-Fi. Let's see an explanation. जो वाईफाई है, इट इज़ ए पॉपुलर वायरलेस नेटवर्किंग टेक्नोलॉजी जो कि अलाउ करते हैं डिवाइसेस को टू कनेक्ट टू द इंटरनेट बाय यूजिंग रेडियो वेव्स. एंड इसको वाइडली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर पब्लिक इंटरनेट एक्सेस एट हॉटस्पॉट्स, स्पेशली एट रेस्टोरेंट्स, कॉफ़ी शॉप्स, एयरपोर्ट्स एंड लाइब्रेरीज. ठीक है. Let's also see why other options are incorrect, like option 2 WiMAX जो है, it is incorrect because जो WiMAX है stands for worldwide interoperability for microwave access and it is also a type of wireless broadband technology, but इसको use किया जाता है for public इसका जो use है for public hotspots, that is very less common than Wi-Fi. Then option 3 DSL जो है, that is digital subscriber line, it is also incorrect because जो DSL है, it is a wide broadband technology that basically use telephone lines and इसको generally use किया जाता है for home and business internet access rather than for public wireless hotspot. Then option 4 BPL जो है, that is broadband over phone lines, it is also incorrect because जो technology है, it use electrical power lines to transmit data और जो कि also provide करते हैं internet access को. But the thing is it's not a common technology used for the public Wi-Fi hotspots. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's see next question. The question is, the standard protocol of internet is, as just we have talked about it, I think this will be an easy question for you. Your options are 1 TCP/IP, 2 Java, 3 HTML and 4 Flash. Here the correct answer is option 1 TCP/IP. Explanation: TCP/IP जो है stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocols, and these are the set of protocols जो कि internet और other computer networks जो है that use for the communication. और ये जो protocols हैं, these protocols basically define how the data is to be packaged, addressed, transmitted, routed and received across the network. And ये जो protocols हैं, these protocols also act as the foundation for today's internet communication. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 2 Java जो है, it is incorrect because जो Java है, it is a programming language जिसको use किया जाता है for the web development and internet application and it has nothing to do with the internet. Then option 3 HTML जो है, that is hypertext markup language, it is also incorrect because it is a markup language which is used for creating web pages and web application, which includes the structure and content of web pages that are to be transmitted over on the internet by using this protocol, which runs on the top of TCP/IP. Then option 4 Flash जो है, it is also incorrect because जो Flash है, it is basically a multimedia software platform जिसको use किया जाता है for creating animations, games and web applications, and these are now less common and इसको also use किया जाता है over on the internet, which has also nothing to do with the communication. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's move to next question. The question is, in computing, IP address means, your options are 1 international pin, 2 internet protocol, 3 invalid pin and 4 insert pin. As just we had discussed about it, I think this will be an also easy question for you. Here the correct answer is option 2 internet protocol. Explanation: in computing, IP address जो है stands for internet protocol address and it is basically a numerical number given to each device that are basically participating in the network. और ये जो devices हैं, these devices use these internet protocols for the communication and ये जो IP address है इसके हमें 2 main functions देखने को मिलते हैं. First is to host or network interface आइडेंटिफिकेशन, जो कि आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं स्पेसिफिक डिवाइसेस को ऑन द नेटवर्क. सेकंड इज लोकेशन एड्रेसिंग, जो कि ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द डिवाइसेस लोकेशन ऑन द नेटवर्क. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द क्वेश्चन इज each IP packet must contain. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2011. Your options are 1. Only source address, 2. Only destination address, 3. Source and destination address, and 4. Source and destination address. You three option है ना, it is source and destination addresses. And option 5 जो है that is none of these. Here the correct answer is option 3. Source and destination addresses. Let's see an explanation. Every internet protocol packet जो है that contains both source IP address, that is the address of sender, and destination IP address, that is the address of intended recipient. और ये जो information है it is important for routers to determine the correct path to forward the packet across the network to its destination. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द क्वेश्चन इज एन IP address is dash dash bit number. This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2017. Your options are 1 8 bit, 2 16 bit, 3 32 bit, and 4 64 bit. Here the correct answer is option 3 32 bit. Let's see an explanation. जो मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप है IP एड्रेस का जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है टुडे दैट इज़ IPv4, दैट इज़ इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल वर्जन 4. एंड दिस इज़ बेसिकली 32 बिट नंबर. एंड ये जो 32 बिट्स हैं इनको टिपिकली डिवाइड किया जाता है इंटू 4 8 बिट ग्रुप्स दैट आर टू बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन डेसिमल फॉर्म. एंड these groups are, or these 8 bits are separated by dots like this. और जो मोस्ट रिसेंट वर्जन है IP एड्रेस का दैट इज IPv6, विच बेसिकली यूज 128 बिट एड्रेस टू accommodate the growing number of internet connected devices. And here जो question है that asks about an IP address in general, and IPv4 जो है it is still default and widely used IP address today. Hence we will choose option 3. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let's see next question. The question is FTP can transfer files between any computers that have an internet connection. Here FTP stands for, your options are 1 file transfer protocol, 2 fast text processing, 3 file transmission program, and 4 fast transmission processor. Here the correct answer is option 1 file transfer protocol. Explanation. FTP जो है stands for file transfer protocol and it is also a standard network protocol जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है for the transfer of computer files between a client and server on a computer network. And इसको commonly यूज़ किया जाता है for the exchange of files between the computers on the internet. है जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is which of the following is a communication protocol that sets the standard used by every computer that access web-based information. Your options are 1 XML, 2 DML, 3 HTTP, and 4 HTML. Here the correct answer is option 3 HTTP. HTTP जो है it stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and this is also the standard communication protocol that is used by the World Wide Web, जो कि बेसिकली डिफाइन करते हैं हाउ मैसेजेस आर टू बी फॉर्मेटेड एंड ट्रांसमिटेड बिटवीन वेब ब्राउजर्स एंड सर्वर्स. एंड एवरी टाइम जब हम एक्सेस करते हैं वेब पेजेस को, जो हमारा ब्राउज़र है दैट बेसिकली यूज HTTP प्रोटोकॉल टू रिक्वेस्ट एंड टू रिसीव द कंटेंट फ्रॉम दिस सर्वर. ठीक है, लेट्स ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 1 XML जो है इट इज इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो XML है इट स्टैंड्स फॉर एक्सटेंसिबल मार्कअप लैंग्वेज एंड इट इज़ ए मार्कअप लैंग्वेज जिसको डिज़ाइन किया गया है टू कैरी डेटा और इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड इसको ऑल्सो यूज़ किया जाता है इन वेब डेवलपमेंट स्पेशली फॉर डेटा एक्सचेंज, बट इट इज़ नॉट ए प्राइमरी प्रोटोकॉल दैट इज़ यूज्ड टू एक्सेस वेब पेजेस. Then option 2 DML जो है that is data manipulation language, it is also incorrect because it is basically a family of computer languages that are used by the database management systems to retrieve, insert, delete and update data in database. So it is related to database management rather than a standard protocol for web access. Then option 4 HTML जो है that is hypertext markup language. It is also incorrect because it is a markup language जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है for creating web pages, जो कि define करते हैं structure and the content of the web page, and it is a content जिसको ट्रांसमिट किया जाता है by using HTTP rather than a protocol itself. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let's see next question. The question is, what is the full form of HTTP? I think this will be an easy question for you. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2014. Your options are 1. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, 2. Hypertext Transition Protocol, 3. Hypertext Transfer Program, and 4. Hypertext Transition Program, and 5. Hypertext Travel Protocol. Here the correct answer is option 1, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, document converted to dash dash can be published on the web. As just we had talked about it, I think this will be also an easy question. This question also has been asked in IBPS PO 2015. Your options are 1, a doc file, 2, HTTP, 3, other than those given as options, 4, machine language, and 5, HTML. Here the correct answer is option 5, HTML. Let's see an explanation. डॉक्यूमेंट जो है उनको कन्वर्ट किया जाता है इनटू HTML, दैट इज हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज, जिनको फर्दर पब्लिश किया जाता है ऑन द वेब. और जो वेब ब्राउजर्स हैं उनको स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन किया गया है टू इंटरप्रेट एंड टू डिस्प्ले दीज HTML डॉक्यूमेंट्स. एंड HTML जो है इट आल्सो प्रोवाइड्स द स्ट्रक्चर एंड कंटेंट टू वेब पेजेस इंक्लूडिंग द टेक्स्ट, इमेजेस, लिंक्स एंड अदर मल्टीमीडिया कंटेंट. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1, a doc file जो है is incorrect because जो doc files हैं these are associated with the Microsoft Word, and these files can be also shared online but they are not directly represented by the web browsers for general web publishing. And ये जो doc files हैं these also requires user जो कि डाउनलोड और जो कि एक्सेस करते हैं फाइल्स को विद इन ए वर्ड प्रोसेसर. देन ऑप्शन 2 HTTP जो है इट्स ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो HTTP है इट इज अ कम्युनिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल दैट इज यूज्ड टू ट्रांसफर वेब पेजेस एंड अदर कंटेंट ओवर ऑन द इंटरनेट, एंड इट इज नॉट फॉर इट इज़ नॉट ए फॉर्मेट जहाँ डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो है दैट आर पब्लिश्ड. देन ऑप्शन 4 मशीन लैंग्वेज जो है इट्स ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो मशीन लैंग्वेज है इट इज़ अ लो लेवल लैंग्वेज जिसको कंप्यूटर जो है दे डायरेक्टली अंडरस्टैंड, और जो कंप्यूटर का प्रोसेसर होता है दे डायरेक्टली अंडरस्टैंड, और जो वेब ब्राउजर्स हैं दे डू नॉट डायरेक्टली इंटरप्रेट मशीन लैंग्वेज टू डिस्प्ले वेब पेजेस. Then option 3 other than those given as options जो है it is also incorrect because जो HTML है it is a standard term used for the web publishing. है ना जो हमारा option 5 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss last question of this session. The question is, HTML is used for designing web pages. Here HTML stands for. This question had been already asked in UPSSSC Junior Engineer 2015. Or next question is, the web uses the dash dash to request and serve web pages and programs. This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2017. I think this will be an easy question. Your options are 1, high transfer machine language, 2, high transmission markup language, 3, hypertext markup language, 4, hypertext transfer markup language. Here the correct answer is option 3, hypertext markup language. Let's see an explanation. HTML जो है stands for hypertext markup language and it is a standard language जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है for creating web pages and web applications. And web browsers जो हैं they receive HTML documents from the web server, or they also receive it from local storage and presents them into multimedia web pages. और जो सेकंड पार्ट है हमारे क्वेश्चन का इट बेसिकली रेफर्स टू HTTP दैट इज हाइपरटेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल विच इज़ बेसिकली कम्युनिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल यूज्ड फॉर दिस पर्पस. बट जो HTTP है that was not given in the option, so we will choose hypertext markup language instead. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है that is your correct answer. So guys, that's it for today. I hope आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कोई भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए या आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. And you can also follow me on these social media platforms, and for PDF you can join the Telegram group. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.